Hi guys, it's Madness Nail Art. So today I'm going to be playing with Jeffree Stars Jawbreaker Palette. Here's what she looks like. Very pretty. So I tried to do swatches, but I don't think they turned out very well. So can I reverse the camera now? So that is what they look like. Here's the pinks, and then these are like the oranges. Alright, sorry if you see my fingers because I'm like trying to turn my camera so my finger is not covering the camera. Like, see, that's covering the camera. But my charger won't let me for some reason, and usually it does, so I don't see what the problem is here, but anyways. Alright, and then I just wanted to mention something really quick. So this is not sponsored because I don't have enough money to be sponsored, but if you live in the Milwaukee area, and I'm sure you could probably buy this online, the Shameless Soap Company, they have one in Southridge Mall. They make the best lotion ever. This is like coconut, lime, and verbena, which is a flower. And then they have the best soaps. I have like 2 bags full of soaps. And then they also make like bath salts, which are really good. My favorite scent from them is the Pretty in Pink. Yeah, so go check them out. Alright, and then I just wanted to say that I tried the It Confidence in a Cream, and I'm wearing it right now, and it's pretty good. I like it. It makes my skin really soft, and it doesn't make me oily, or at least I don't think it does. So yeah, let's get right into the video then. I'm just gonna put like on my foundation and my primer, and then we're gonna be all good to start. Alright guys, so I'm back. I did my base, and then I used the Kismet Buff Sugar Lip Scrub. Oops, right there. It's in the shade Bright and Bubbly. And then for my complexion, or my foundation today, I used the Urban Decay Optical Illusion Complexion Primer. And before that, I used the It Cosmetics Confidence in a Cream, if you haven't remembered. And then I used the Photo Balm by The Balm powder foundation, and then on my cheeks I used NYX's Stay Matte But Not Flat powder foundation. And then I used my CoverGirl Clean Invisible concealer right there. And then I used my Revolution Makeup Luxury Baking Powder. It looks like this. Alright, so I'm gonna take the Incredible Lip Jelly Shot Lip Quencher. So let us put that on really quick. Helps lock in the moisture that was in the Kismet Buff. Alright, and then I'm gonna go into my Pacifica Bronzed Rose Blush and Contour Trio, or Bronzer Trio I should say. So first of all, I am going to grab this brush by BH Cosmetics. It's the number 2. And then I'm going to take the bronzer shade, and I'm just going to put that on my cheeks. Now, I did... Oops. Oh god. Oh my gosh. Wait. Oh shoot, I have to look this way. Okay, that's not an issue. So, I did set my face with my Ulta Beauty the Dewy Setting Spray. And then let me just take my blending brush and blend that in. You already know which one it is. It's number 4 in the Rose Quartz set. And then we're just going to blend that in so we got no harsh lines. And then it's weird looking over here. Maybe I should look over here more often. I don't have my contacts in today. So, oh my gosh. Okay, then I'm gonna take my angled blush brush. This is from BH Cosmetics. It's a festival set. It's number 3. And then I'm gonna take this blush color from the Pacifica. I think it's bronzed rose, yeah. So then we're just gonna dip in. It's probably really pigmented because the bronzer is really pigmented. Let me get some more. It does have a slight shimmer to it. And then I'm just gonna blend that in once again. And then actually for my brows today, I'm going to use powder. So I'm using the Pixie by Petra palette. Ignore that. Okay, let's grab a brow brush. So I'm just gonna shape my brow with the spoolie. I haven't plucked my brows in eons, so we're just gonna ignore that. So alright, let me spoolie that then. Okay. And we're done with that. So then I'm going to take my BH Cosmetics Flawless Brow Highlighter. So I think I'm going to go into the shimmery side because we're going to do a matte look today. So kind of like you would with concealer. I'm just going in and highlighting that highlighter, not concealer. Okay. So I'm gonna blend that in. Okay. Oops. I think that's good. Looking good here. So now I'm going to prime my eyes. And I'm going to do that off camera, so actually I'm going to prime one eye, so I will be right back. Alright, I'm ready to go. So, taking the round crease brush, which is the BH Cosmetics number 9 brush. I don't know if you can see that. Close enough. So, I'm going into the Jawbreaker palette, and then what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to take Cone here. Oh my god. Just dip my finger into it. So right there, I'm just going to take that on this crease brush. Actually, I think I may use my other brush set. Uh-oh. I can find it in my sea of brushes here. Here she is. Okay, so, like I said, we're taking Cone. Alright, and then this is gonna be my transition shade because I think I'm gonna do a pink and purple look today. I'm going for like a unicorn glam look, and it's gonna be great. So, wow, this is very pigmented, so then I'm gonna just put a little bit more on, and then we're gonna blend it all out. Wow. Okay, very pretty. So, let's take, I believe this is a blending brush. It's a large one, which is the number 8. It looks like this. So let's just blend this out. Windshield wiper motions. No, I'm just kidding. Okay. I think that's blended out good enough. So then I'm going right into Cute, which is this mint color right here. So I think I'm going to take a shader brush. This is a number 5. It's the dense one. It's pretty big. We're going to cover a lot of lid space. I was thinking about doing a cut crease, but probably not. Alright, so we're going to take that Cute color. And then this is going to go... Oh, this might be too big. Well, no. Make it work. Okay, that's okay. Actually, I'm gonna take a different brush then. So, I'm going to grab this one instead. This is a number 6. I also believe this is a packing brush. So I'm going to try to get into this little area. That's okay. And then what I'm going to do is dip into Gumdrop, which is that lavender color on the second row, right in the middle next to Snack and the F word. Alright, so. Sorry, I had a little kickback. So we're just going to layer that right there. Oh, this is going to be super pretty. And then, I think what I'm going to do, we're going to put Jawbreaker on my inner corner. Jawbreaker is very pretty, so I'm going to do that. Oh, I may have put a little too much. It's okay. Blend it all out. And then I'm going to try to go in with cute with a little smaller brush. This eyeshadow does really not want to get into my inner corner. Oh my gosh. Okay. Well, we're just gonna have to put more of Jawbreaker right there then. Perfect. Okay. We got something, folks. Alright. So, actually, I'm not sure if I want this to be no. Wow, I could take Delicious. I think this looks fine, actually. So I'm going to go ahead and finish the other eye and do all my eyeliner and mascara off camera. So, be right back. Oops, guys, I'm back. So I put on my eyeliner, did a little baby wing, cat wing, whatever you'd like to call it. I don't really do really dramatic eyeliner because doing really dramatic eyeliner, I'd mess it up because I have hooded eyes and they're not that badly hooded. Like, you can still see like lid space if I'm like looking like that. But yeah, so let's put some highlight on. So this is from one of my Ipsy Bakes. I'm pretty sure it was the Betty Boop one in October. And this is called Space Case Cosmetics. Their website is so cute. And they have, I think, an eyeshadow. It's called, like, Fries Over Guys or something like that. And it is so cute. Okay, so I sprayed my face with setting powder so that it will make, like, the powder stick more. So I'm taking my BH Cosmetics number 3 brush, and we're just going to dip in. And we're going to get that shine. I don't think I've ever done makeup like this late in the afternoon. It's currently 4:24 Sunday evening. Wow, this is really pigmented. Maybe I put a little too much on. Okay. And then, since I'm wearing, I love colors. I wear a lot of colors actually, but usually not in these videos. So I'm going to go with a nude lipstick today. This is the Desi New York. It's All Day Lip Cream. And then this is in the color Thames Street. Wonder where that is. If you know, let me know in the comments because I'm curious. I love to travel. Traveling is like a hobby for me. Wish I had all the time and the money in the world to travel. But it's okay. I like traveling every once in a while, although I feel so bad for my cat because he'd probably miss me. He'd think I just left him, which I never do. Okay, so we're gonna spray this out. I don't think that was good enough. Okay. Wait. No, we're good. Alright, folks. So, oh my god. Charger. So this is the finished look with the Jeffree Star palette. This purple and this mint look super pretty together. I blended them a little bit, probably not this eye, I don't think I blended that eye, but I think I blended these ones together. Yeah, but these are super cute pastels, and I totally recommend this palette if you're a beginner and you want to get into color because it's a great rainbow palette. I have other suggestions, of course. Oh, my eyes look green. That's weird. Alright, well, I will see you guys later. I'm gonna make an Anastasia Beverly Hills tutorial once again. So stay tuned. Alright, bye-bye.